My name is Tamara and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and help you bring this amazing traditional dish into your family dining table. So without wasting your time, get those ingredients in the description and let's get started. We're going to begin with combining all the dry ingredients at first, which is the flour, the yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix it to combine. Now in the mixing bowl, we are going to combine our wet ingredients, which is warm milk, our eggs, and butter. We're going to begin adding the flour we just worked on, about a quarter cup or so at a time, until all of the flour is well incorporated. Honestly, you do not need any fancy machines to make the dough. You can do this by hand as I'm doing right now, and it works perfectly fine. We're going to let the dough rest in a warm room for about an hour. Now it is time to grind up our cheese. We have two different cheeses that I found that it is perfect combination if you live in the United States or anywhere in Europe. And afterwards we need to add a little bit of water so that the cheese is a little bit juicier. And just salt to taste, just taste the cheese to make sure that it is perfect for you. And then basically that's done. That was quick. So now it is time to roll it. I like to cut the dough into 6 pieces, which means that you will be able to make 6 acharolis. And if 6 is too much, you can always split the recipe in half if you just want to make, let's say, 3. Begin rolling the dough to form this oval shape, and then little by little the oval shape will get larger and larger. I like to place the dough on the baking tray so that it doesn't give me a hard time later on moving it. And then we're going to place the cheese and start rolling. There are many different ways to roll this, guys. You will see many different ways, but I just like to have the cheese inside the dough, kind of like the stuffed cheese pizza crust. Basically, that's just what I personally prefer, but you can use whatever method you would like. And then I like to pinch those corners together really well so that the juices coming from the cheese doesn't escape. And then basically you are going to cook it in the oven, and this is what it should look like. Now we're going to add 2 or 1 egg yolk, and we're going to cook it again for not more than 2 minutes. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to put a little bit of a butter on the bread, and then a tiny bit of butter right in the center. You're gonna let it melt. If you guys ever make this recipe, please send me those pictures on my Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the recipe.